Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an ASUS ROG Phone D and you need to do a hard reset on it and you do not have the pin code and the screen is locked and you can't access the phone. We can actually bypass that passcode and delete it off the phone. It will also remove everything else off the phone and wipe the phone. But if you're ready to do that, it's pretty simple. All you need to do is you need to have your phone turned off, and then you're going to hit the power button and the volume up, which will actually be over here. At the same time, just hold them until the phone turns on. Once the phone turns on, it's going to turn on with a thing like this, only it will be at the very top of the screen. You'll use the volume buttons to toggle through until you get to where it says recovery mode up at the top of the screen. Once you get up to it, then you'll hit the power button to select that, and then it will boot up into this recovery mode. From there, we can use the volume buttons to toggle down to wipe data, factory reset, and hit the power button to select. The next menu you will get will be a menu that looks just like this with a whole bunch of no's, and you'll have to scroll down to the yes. And when you scroll down to the yes, you'll hit power to select it, and there's no going back from there. Once you hit power on that yes, everything will be wiped from your phone. So once that's done, then you can just reboot the system and the phone will turn off and turn back on like it was when it came out of the box.